Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to be upgrading this Land Rover Defender exhaust system. Before we jump into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also a notification bell, so you won't miss if our new videos go live. So we're going to be upgrading the exhaust system. We're going to be upgrading it with a Miltek non-resonated GPF back exhaust with some polished silver tips. So we're going to be replacing the sort of like lackluster original tips with some better looking Miltek tips, and then a sportier exhaust system as well, so then we'll be able to hear more of that V8 exhaust sound. So we're going to be doing before and after sound tests as well, so you know what the stock exhaust sounds like versus the Miltek. So the next thing to do is get the car in the workshop, get it fitted, and then we'll show you what it sounds like at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously, if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.